state withdraws one culpable homicide charge against Duduzane Zuma. Pretoria, the trial of Duduzane Zuma has started in the Randburg Magistrates Court on Tuesday, where the state informed the magistrate that it was withdrawing one of the culpable homicide counts. Former President Jacob Zuma's son is being prosecuted for a deadly 2016 car crash. Duduzane Zuma was initially charged with 2 counts of culpable homicide for causing the deaths of Phumzile, Dube and Nanki Mashaba. Dube died on the scene of the crash, while Mashaba died in hospital several weeks later. State told the court this morning that it was withdrawing the second count linked to the death of Mashaba. The trial has been set down for 4 days.
Yeah.